This video tutorial I will explain Mac OS basics and how to use Mac efficiently. What is Mac OS? Mac OS is the operating system used in Apple Mac computers like MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mac Mini. Mac OS controls how your computer works and how you interact with the computer. What is desktop? The desktop is the main screen where you can see files, folders, and open windows. What is dock? Dock is the row of icons that you can see bottom of the screen. It gives you quick access to your favorite apps, open apps, and the trash. On the left side, you will see Apple logo, which give you access to system settings, shutdown, restart, and log out. In the center, you can see the menu bar at the top of the screen. It changes based on the app you are using. On the right side, you will see Wi-Fi, battery status, volume, date or time, and spotlight search. What is Finder? Finder is the file manager of Mac OS. Using Finder, you can browse files, open folders, organize documents. You can open Finder by clicking the smiley face icon on the dock. What is Launchpad? Launchpad shows all your installed apps. You can open it from the dock or pinch with four fingers on the trackpad. What is Spotlight Search? Using Spotlight Search, you can quickly find files, apps, emails, or even do calculations. You can press Command and Space Bar to open Spotlight. How to use applications? To open an app, click on Apps icon in the dock or Finder. To close a window, click the red button on the top left. To minimize, click yellow, and to maximize, click green. To quit an app, use Command plus Q. What is System Settings? Go to the Apple menu, then you can see System Settings. Using System Settings, you can change things like Wi-Fi, wallpaper, sound, or keyboard. You can also add users, set privacy settings, and update your Mac. You have to use a trackpad for gestures like swiping between the apps or zooming. Learn keyboard shortcuts to improve the efficiency. To copy, use Command plus C. To paste, use Command plus V. To switching between the apps, use Command plus Tab. You have to save files in Documents, Desktop, or Custom folder. Use tags and folders in Finder to stay organized. Use iCloud to store files online and access them from any Apple device. Updating Mac OS. Go to System Settings, General, and Software Update to check for latest updates. Keeping your Mac updated helps to improve the performance, security, and features. Click on Apple logo on the top left. Then choose Shutdown, Restart, or Sleep. You can also lock your screen from here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.